In a world where living costs are skyrocketing, some places are taking a different approach. Imagine getting paid to live in a country. Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's not. There are places out there that are actually paying people to live there. They are offering various incentives to attract new residents. From tax breaks to cash grants, from free land to student loan aid, these incentives vary widely. So buckle up as we dive into the world of these unique places where living can turn into a rewarding experience. Welcome to the world where you get paid to live. Yes, you heard it right. It's as intriguing as it sounds, and yes, it's absolutely possible. Around the globe, several countries offer incentives to attract new residents. So are you ready to explore these amazing places? Let's get started. Imagine getting paid to live in a beautiful place. Sounds like a dream, right? But hold on to your hats, because this is not just a dream. This is a reality in some parts of the world. These places are not just offering a home, but also a financial incentive that might just make you pack your bags. So, buckle up as we embark on this exciting journey to explore these incredible locations one by one. First on our list is Alaska, United States. Although not a country, this state is worth mentioning. Thanks to the Alaska Permanent Fund, residents receive an annual check just for living there. Established in 1976, the fund invests in oil revenues and then pays out a portion of the return to residents. The amount varies each year, but it usually falls between $1,000 to $2,000. We have seen some amazing places so far, haven't we? From the icy landscapes of Alaska, where residents enjoy an annual payout, to the digital frontier of Estonia, offering virtual residency to global entrepreneurs. But let's take a moment. Close your eyes. Imagine living in these places. Picture the snow-capped mountains of Alaska, the bustling digital economy of Estonia. Imagine the possibilities, the opportunities at your fingertips. Feeling excited yet? Good. Buckle up, because our journey is far from over. Next, we travel to the opposite side of the world, to the small European nation of Estonia. Known for its digital innovation, Estonia offers a unique e-residency program. This program doesn't pay you directly, but it does provide a digital identity that allows you to start and manage a global business online. With this, you can access the European Union market and conduct business from anywhere in the world. Thirdly, we have Chile, a country that encourages entrepreneurship. Under its Startup Chile program, the government offers equity-free funding of about $40,000 to early-stage, high-potential entrepreneurs who are willing to launch their startups in Chile. Saskatchewan, Canada is next on our list. While it's not a country, it's worth noting for its graduate retention program. This program offers tuition reimbursement of up to $20,000 Canadian to graduates who live and work in Saskatchewan. Lastly, we have Italy. Yes, you heard right. Certain small towns in Italy, like Candela and Molise, offer cash incentives and tax credits to people willing to move and start a business there. These towns aim to revive their dwindling populations and create new opportunities. As our virtual journey draws to a close, let's reflect on what we've discovered. We've toured the globe, visiting places that offer financial incentives to residents, a concept that's steadily gaining traction. This unique approach presents a win-win situation. The residents enjoy financial benefits, while the places get to revive their communities and economies. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to revisit these incredible places one last time, reminding ourselves of the extraordinary opportunities that lie in the corners of our world. Stay tuned, because you never know where our next journey might take us. So to summarize, there are indeed places around the world that will pay you to live there or provide significant incentives. From the annual checks in Alaska and the e-residency program in Estonia, to the entrepreneurial support in Chile, tuition reimbursement in Saskatchewan, Canada, and cash incentives in Italy, each offers unique opportunities. The world is full of surprises, and these countries and regions are testament to that. So if you're looking for a new adventure, or perhaps a new place to call home, consider these options. Who knows, you might find yourself packing your bags sooner than you think. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.